The Nike LeBron 23 has quickly gained strong buzz, with sneaker fans calling it one of the best in the line. Built around 23 different legacy-defining stories of LeBron James, this sneaker highlights career milestones through its designs. The Miami Twice colorway pays tribute to James' back-to-back NBA championships and Finals MVP titles during his Miami Heat era. His controversial move to the Heat in 2010 eventually led to historic victories, and this pair honors those seasons. The shoe's features include the innovative Crown Containment System with a pearlized finish, a jeweled reverse swoosh, and a semi-translucent pink outsole. Its navy textile upper carries stitched palm tree details, while the tongue's orange and yellow accents symbolize Miami's vibrant energy. Although Nike hasn't confirmed official release details, it is expected by October, with early images giving fans a preview of this story-driven and stylish basketball sneaker.